Alright, for number 21, we're going to use the fact that this is a parallelogram to find the length of WX, the blue segment. A property of parallelograms is that opposite sides are congruent. Therefore, the blue side and the pink side are congruent to each other. This means that the length of segment WX and the length of segment ZY are equal to each other. And the length of WX is b plus 6, while the length of ZY is 5b minus 8. So we will solve this equation. We can subtract b from the left and subtract b from the right. We can add 8 to the right and add 8 to the left, and then we can divide both sides by 4. So b is 14/3, which is the same thing as 4, hold on a second, 14/4 dividing both sides by 4. B is equal to 14/4, which is the same thing as 3.5. So before you circle that and think you're done, remember to ask what they asked for. What is the length of segment WX? Well, that's actually b plus 6. And b plus 6 is 3.5 plus 6. So our final answer is that WX is equal to 9.5.